dopey though. I used got some.
He said I was
Like,
dopey.
if I went to college, I'd be the army. I'm like, oh yeah. Put a little thought into that. What you was punching in?
Yeah.
Yeah, snapping,
It's
bro.
dope when we warm up, you know? That first one was like, I ain't gonna lie, that first one was bump.
I ain't gonna lie, that first one, I feel like that still could be something. Like,
Yeah, we probably gotta listen to it tomorrow, you know?
Yeah, niggas just gotta go back, put fresh
I
ears
gotta
on
hear
it.
shit tomorrow, you know? Some of my songs, I be in the studio like, no, it's not alright. Then I play tomorrow, I'm like, oh shit, this is alright to me. Decent. Like 8 out of 10 type shit.
Just came back from Venus, just came back from Mars, whipping in foreign cars, yeah.